Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news. A Jamaican by the name of Kimalee Larmond, who lived in Trinidad and Tobago in the area of the Orangefield Road, Chase Village, has been reported missing by the authorities in Trinidad, and we are seeking some assistance to get her back home safe, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Another Jamaican missing abroad, ladies and gentlemen. Me not know if I run them or run away or what, but we are going to Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, families and friends of the 32-year-old Jamaican woman are pleading with anyone that have any information to contact the authorities at 673-0026 800 tips or the police at 5599 or your 911 number or any police station in the community, ladies and gentlemen. They're looking for 32-year-old Jamaican woman by the name of Kimalee Larmond, and she lived in the Orangefield Road, Chase Village area there, last seen on November 19th. Reports came in the Trinidad and prompting Trinidad and Tobago Police Service to issue statement asking for public assistance finding her. Although her name was misspelled as Kimberly Lamont, the woman's actual name is Kimalee Larmond, Kimalee Larmond lived at the Orangefield Road, Chase Village, and was last seen on November 19th. She was reported missing at the Freeport Police Station on the same day. However, the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service did not disclose who filed the report. A description of the woman was provided. Kimberly, of African descent, Jamaican, who is 5 feet 8 inches, with a medium build body, brown complexion. Missing person report usually include details about the individual who last seen or what the individual was seen wearing. However, no such information was included at this time. Anyone with information of Kimalee or her whereabouts are being urged by the Freeport Police to contact them at 673-0026 or 800 tips, or call the police at 5599 or 911 or any other station. Information can be shared at the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service app. Meanwhile, some of Kimberly's loved ones back in Jamaica have been posting on her Facebook page expressing disbelief and sadness over her sudden disappearance. They're pleading with local to contact the police with information on her. Oh, no, if you get up from Jamaica and jump on a plane and go over, they go look for you in your family. But oh, no, play with locals. You know, say most island people don't like Jamaicans. And you see how she look good? She look good. 32 years old, just up in her prime. You know this is going to be another unsolved crime. No disrespect. I could tell right now that our man have the wrong thing on his mind. She probably dash out a liquor shun and him not like it cause when she grip him it zoom. Men, Uno too crude and wicked. And no disrespect, ladies. Uno too naive and stupid. Listen, uno fi stop go with them kind of man there. Where I send you, same place where Slicky and there, I don't lead there. Uno fi link the Rasta man, and you'll be in good hands. Uno fi stop run down the murderous man them. Anyway, me nah make fun of the game. Me want to know fi know say I feel the people them pain. Kimalee Larmond, yes, go to Trinidad, left Jamaica, go look Trinidad firehood. And see there, she is missing. She was living at the Orange Field Road. You see it, me tell you. Chase Village. She did a chase it down. Wrong tree. She go climb up. And guess what happened? She end up get bind up. Me I bet you that happen. Cause when them gal ya quint it. A voodoo them a work for you. And sometimes them want live with the cookies. And you say, no, I need cookies. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm warning you again, Jamaican woman, especially if you 5'6", 32 years old, brown complexion, you medium build. Look, you look fine. You look like you wouldn't worth my time. So what I'm saying, if uno not charge the nickel or the dime, call the Rasta man line. Cause me nah go do you nothing where them call a crime. And more life. And more joy. It is a sad situation, a beautiful woman like this. Kimalee Larmond, Ghana, Trinidad, and things end up bad. Sad, sad, sad. And our family there, Jamaica, I chat about them on social media before them take a boat, a plane, or a helicopter and go over there. Go look for them sister. You see how we don't care? Don't care. If it was a European or another nation, them wouldn't reach over there before the clock strike 1. And it's just 12 o'clock. Leave your comment. Make me know what you think. Make me know what you think. Because I'm telling you, I quint it and try to leave, and the man take her out in a blink. She think she that quint. Yeah, she think she that quint. Because you know the Jamaican woman them try to tie you with the good workings. I'm not lying. I'm not flirting. That's how I know how to do the twerking. Bless up on yourself. Don't stress. And women, call the Rasta man. Not go dash for your life with no bad man. The Rasta not gonna beat you. The Rasta just gonna teach you. And him definitely not need you. No. Now come around here with that.
Yeah, Ron Marley, Deep Roots TV. Blessed love, see it? Rastafari.